Hello guys, and welcome to another video. It's another smart riding system time for motorcycles, and of course we are going to install it on an ATV. So we have various features on this device like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, system themes, music control. It's IP67 rating. Yeah, we have real-time ride telemetry. And in the box we will get a smart screen, 2 cameras, a power cable, mounting bracket, ball head connector, step rings, some hex keys, ties and anti-scratch strips. Let's see how the unit looks like. Screen itself and some power cables, camera cables. We also get GPS, a box with the accessories, power cable, some cloths, of course the instructions manual, motorcycle cameras. I really like that in the package they are separated. Yeah, we have the cameras here, very nice, interesting looking design. Yeah, and on the back we have a micro SD card, a micro SD to USB adapter, very nice. All the necessary cables in order to install these cameras. Let's see if I can take one out. I really like the design. It looks like something from a spaceship. They are adjustable, but we will see more when we are going to install it. And I'm curious to see what's in this box as well, the A box. Yeah, so this is the mounting bracket one with some screws, yeah, some Allen keys. Everything we need is nicely fitted in the box. A very nice unboxing experience. You should keep in mind that the cameras are optional. Okay, so now that you have seen what's in the box and you have seen how the display looks like, let's go on and install it and test all its functions. So the installation of the Linkifun MT100 is complete. This is where we install the front-facing camera. This is where we install the rear-facing camera. Everything is very simple, plug and play. The only complicated stuff is related to your motorcycle or ATV model. And this 5-inch touchscreen navigation system comes with a bunch of interesting functions. We have GPS, we have tire pressure monitor system, but right now we don't have the tire pressure sensor installed. It comes with a dual Bluetooth connection. We can connect a headphone to our phone and also to the smart device. Also we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We get all the apps in the Apple CarPlay system. Another great feature is the DVR feature, which means that the cameras are recording automatically when we start the engine, and all the recordings are saved on the micro SD card, which is included in the package. Also here we have all the recordings. We can select the front cameras, the rear cameras. We can delete them all at once. We can lock some recordings so they won't be deleted, and so on. Furthermore, we also get Wi-Fi video. This means that we have to disconnect the CarPlay, and with the Wi-Fi video we can download an app and get all the fee. Let me just show it to you. We can get all the fee from the cameras straight into our phone. We can download, we can delete the recordings, and so on. Everything works very nice. Everything is simple, smooth. We also have the possibility of switching the display. We have 3 different themes, and we get on the home screen we get the trip, the miles from the trip, or the speed from the vehicle, as well as the altitude with the help of the built-in GPS. buy it now using the link in the video description or in the first comment.